how to delegate access in GoDaddy. So this is very easy. Now what we need to do is go to this article. I'll leave it as a pinned comment. And what you want to do is focus on this first step. Go to GoDaddy Delegate Access page. So this is a hyperlink. Once we click on it, this will refer us to the Delegate Access page on GoDaddy, and it might ask you to log in with your account. But basically right here you will see accounts that I can access and a list of the accounts that you can access, as well as people who can access my account. Now if we want to invite somebody to have access to our GoDaddy account, we'll click on Invite to Access, and we'll need to input their name here. So the first thing that we'll do is input their name as well as their email address. Now the email address is the most important part. So type out an email address here, and we'll have to select the access level requested. So products, domains, and purchase. Products and domains, or domains only. If you want to grant them full access, you select this first option here. And if you have typed a correct email address here, you will be able to press the invite button, and they will just have to check their email to accept the invitation. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.